Hello my dear student, find the LCM by listing their multiples. Here given number is 6 and 10. The multiple of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. That means table of 6. The table of 10 is 10, 1 the 10, 10 to the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So therefore the common multiples here 6 and 10 is 30. So LCM is 30. Remain 8. Okay, 30 is the smallest number which is divisible by both 6 and 10. Hope you understood. Hello my dear student. Today I am going to explain about LCM by repeated division method. Here we follow some rules and regulation, then solve out the LCM of the given math. Correct? So first of all, select the lowest prime number to divide. Okay, then while selecting the lowest prime number, make sure that it divide at least one numbers. Okay, then we follow, if the number is not divisible by the prime number, copy it down without dividing. Then we follow the continue to divide till the quotient of all the numbers is 1. Then the product of the prime factor is their LCM. Okay, so we follow this certain step and we solve this LCM. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. First we take the lowest prime number is 2. So that is 9 and this one 12, this one 18 and this one 24. Correct? Then we use the next the prime number is 2. Okay, so here it is 9 and it is 6, it is 9, it is 12. Now again we take 3. Correct? Then it is divisible by 3. So 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6 and 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Then we again take 2. Correct? So it will be 3, it will be 1, it will be 3 and this one 2. Again we take this one 3. So 3 1 is 3, 1 and this one 2. Again we take 2. So 2, 1, 1 and 1. So ultimate this divide till the quotient of all the number is 1. Correct? Therefore LCM is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Correct? Then it will be 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 24, 24 72 and this one 2. That means 144. Okay, so answer the LCM of the given number is 144. Correct? I hope you understood all this step that I followed to solve this LCM. Correct?